He rebuilt a crashed Mansory Rolls-Royce using regular parts, and Mansory made him pay $10,000 for it. Here's what happened. Matt Armstrong is known for fixing wrecked supercars, from a totaled Lamborghini Revuelto to a flood-damaged Rolls-Royce Cullinan. He's done it all. This time he bought a crashed Mansory Rolls-Royce Wraith and wanted to bring it back to life. But Mansory's custom parts were insanely expensive. To save money, Matt bought a regular Wraith, took off all the parts he needed, and started the rebuild. Mansory didn't like that. To them, using standard parts on one of their cars hurt their luxury image. After Matt finished the car, Mansory invited him to their headquarters. But instead of praise, they picked apart his work and criticized every detail.